Welcome to our PS page. Today let's see about Google Internship 2026. This opportunity is for current students and as well as who completed PhD. So let's see in detail how to apply for this. Go to the Google and search the text as Google Internship 2026. So once you searched, you can see the first link from the Google Internships Google Career. So just select it. So if you face any issue, just refresh the page. You can see the home of this internship page. So here you have to select explore all internship button. Just select it. You can see all the list of internship which is available in throughout the world. So totally 33 jobs I can see. Just filter from here by typing India. So based on your location you can filter here. So for India location you can see there are 4 internship programs available. Okay, so let's see about these 4. So other than the first one, all are related to who completed the PhD. So this is related to students and location is Bangalore, and here you can see minimum qualification as bachelor's degree or master or PhD. And the below one you can see the experience in one area of computer science or anything you can. I mean, it's not a experience from company, it's just you need to be aware about these skills. Okay, that's sufficient for this internship to apply. And regarding this one, you should complete the PhD. Okay, and there are some other also, so software engineering intern and silicon intern. So just check this qualification information. So if it is suits you, you can apply for this. For the students it won't applicable, so just go to the first option and start applying for that. So let me do for you. So here you can see the learn more, just click it, and here you have the apply button. So the last date for application is 31st March. So before that you have to apply. So just click apply. Here you can see 4 different tabs. One is career profile, then role information, and voluntary self-identification, then finally review and apply. So in the first tab, this will ask you to upload your CV. I have already uploaded, so it's taking details automatically. So first time you have to upload and you have to give all the information which required. Okay, so this is basic information I have provided, and just click next. So now in third tab, just identification checks. So all the applicable answers you have to select. Okay, let me select this. Okay, and finally just check mark, then next. Okay, now in the last tab it's a review and apply. So whatever the information I have filled, you can see here. So just hiding it now. So just double check all the information you provided was there, and finally check mark this and click apply. That's it. So maximum of 3 application you can apply within 30 days. Okay, so that is all that you can see in the top. And from the left side menu your career, you can see all your application which is submitted earlier and its status as well. Okay, below you can see right the submitted. So that is the status. You can track your application status from here at any time. Hope this video is useful. Subscribe us for more unique videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.